Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and viewers. I am Sir Zafar and you are watching Z Tutor. Today I will give you a message that we are going to start. I am going to take another initiative. First of all, we would like to thank to Allah, the Almighty, who has always succeeded me in all the field of life, especially in the field of education. I have, there are so many students who appreciated, who encouraged my channel, my Urdu videos, and there are so many students who are sending me messages to start English videos, because some students are there who take examination in English and the medium of examination they adopt is English. So when they watch my videos in Urdu, they understand the concept, but they wish to listen me in especially English as well. So today I have decided to start these videos, to start videos in English as well. There were two options before me. First of all, we may start a new channel, especially in English language, and the second option was there, we may introduce a new tab, a new playlist. So I decided to start a new playlist, not to start a new channel. The reason is that I have decided this because there are few students who like to watch my videos in both languages, in Urdu and in English as well. So I decided to add a playlist in English, especially for all the students of the world who wish to watch me in English lectures. So today, inshallah ta'ala Aziz, I will start my English lectures as well. There is a question before you, whether I am going to give up my Urdu channel. No, I am not giving up my channel. I am not giving up my Urdu videos. I will go side by side. English and Urdu videos will go side by side. You will watch videos in Urdu and videos in English on my channel as well. I would like to thank all the students, viewers and well-wishers who appreciate me, who encourage me, who support me morally and send me messages and comments on my channel to promote my channel. Your comments, when you like my videos and when you give me comments, when you send me a message, this gives me energy to take initiatives. This gives me energy to go ahead, and this channel has been developed only because of you. This channel is going to be run only because of you. My students know there was a time when my channel was hacked. There are a lot of students there who prayed for me, who prayed for channel, and with the help of their prayers, Allah, the Almighty, supported me and my channel was restored. Thank you very much, students, and thanks to Allah who always helps me in all the aspects of life. Inshallah, today the first video will be launched. Hope you will also like these videos. Hope you will also appreciate my this initiative. Inshallah, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Will be there next time.